SYNC4 technology provides your Lincoln vehicle with advanced features that can help keep you connected. There's an upper status bar at the top with time and temperature, a main area, and an information on-demand panel that splits the display screen into two separate areas. It can display audio, phone, navigation, and trip information. You can even drag information left to the main area and swap content based on your preferences. You can use the maximize and minimize button to make the on-demand screen appear or disappear, depending on what you want to see. When the main screen and on-demand screens are both up, you can use the up and down arrows to scroll through the information, as well as swipe or tap certain panels to bring them to the main area. Double tapping the on-demand panel will resize it to the full screen. Pressing the button with 4 arrows brings it back to its original position. Pressing the button with 4 arrows will display a carousel of features you can select from. You can control audio features such as AM/FM HD radio, Sirius XM with 360L, Bluetooth connectivity, and USB. With SYNC4, you can do hands-free calling and download your phone book. To pair a phone, sit in the vehicle with your phone in your hand. Either start the vehicle fully or put it in accessory mode by pressing the start button with your foot off the brake. Press phone, press add phone. On your phone, press settings, press Bluetooth. When your vehicle appears, select it. Ensure that the pin on your phone matches the pin on your touchscreen. Press pair on your phone and yes on your touchscreen. Pairing is successful, and now you can choose whether to sync your contacts. Connected navigation allows you through either screen input or voice commands to enter destinations, search addresses, find your way, look up points of interest, check out business reviews, and stay up to date with traffic and weather conditions. A digital owner's manual is included in the system. You also can bookmark the pages that you refer to frequently. Press Features, press Owner's Manual, search for feature through one of 4 tiles: Categories, Visual Search, Bookmarks, and Videos. On any page in the digital owner's manual, touch the bookmark icon on the top right of the screen. The vehicle will save that page to your favorites. To find the bookmark pages, touch the bookmark tile, and the list of pages bookmarked will appear. To set up SYNC4 features on the screen, Settings is the go-to button. From Settings, you can change information such as adjusting the ambient lighting, turning driver assistance features on or off, general vehicle setup, and a whole lot more. SYNC4 makes it easy to stay connected with your favorite apps while you're on the road and does not require that your phone is tethered to the vehicle via USB to do so. It is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, depending on your device type. To enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, pair the phone via Bluetooth. Follow the instructions on your device and the touchscreen. You will also be able to access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto with USB. Additionally, SYNC4 offers Sync App Link, which is accessed through the Find Mobile Apps tile. It allows you to use compatible apps from your phone on the touchscreen. To use App Link, pair the phone via Bluetooth. Open the app on the phone, tap the app icon on the Sync touchscreen. Press the icon of the app you want to open. A pop-up will open that says, "Would you like to enable mobile apps on Sync?" Press Yes to enable permissions. The app will start. Lincoln Personal Assistant allows you to use conversational voice commands to talk to your vehicle and ask questions, like with Siri or Alexa. It includes 2 channels, in-vehicle and chat. Both connect to the cloud and enable unique features and interactions exclusively in English. The embedded voice allows you to use a wake word to talk to the vehicle. The wake word is turned off by default, but can be turned on in settings. You also can set up the chat channel using the Lincoln Way app on your phone. Access the chat channel by contacting Lincoln Personal Assistant through Facebook Messenger. Another feature of SYNC4 is Alexa built-in compatibility. This feature connects to your Alexa account so you can place orders from your vehicle, as well as play music, change the in-vehicle temperature, and help with navigation. For more information about SYNC4, please refer to the Owner's Manual. Some of the features can be used without internet access. However, videos will not be available without a cloud connection. As long as your modem is activated and has service, video content will be available. Thank you for watching.